What's up, YouTube? It's your boy 700 Shan with another video. Today I'm going to be showing y'all my cold start on my 2020 Raptor 700R. I still got the stock exhaust on it. I took the spark arrestor out. I still got to put the little exhaust tip on. But I might just leave like that. But yeah, I'm going to show y'all what it sounds like with the spark arrestor. My Raptor 700R sounds like with the stock exhaust spark arrestor. It kind of sounds good, but now it's time for a real exhaust. I'm trying to see what exhaust I want to go with. Could y'all drop some exhaust in the comment section? That would be nice to put on. But yeah. I appreciate everybody that watched the video. I appreciate if you like, comment, and subscribe and share. And I'll see y'all in the next video.